A very good day to all of you. Welcome to Tashu Tech channel. CBSE has released a circular recently regarding CBSE Heritage India Quiz. This is an annual activity, an inter-school quiz focused on the theme of the conservation and restoration of cultural heritage. This thesis emphasizes the importance of preserving India's rich cultural heritage, which includes ancient sites, monuments, and traditional knowledge system. By encouraging maximum participation from schools across the country, the quiz seeks to sensitize students about the significance of preserving monuments and sites that are integral to India's history and identity. Now, let's understand the key details regarding CBSE Heritage India Quiz 2024. Registration will be done through online portal available at CBSE official website. Schools will log in the registration window by using the school affiliation number and password allocated by the board used for LOC registration. Stage 1 is online test. The date of online test will be announced through notification on website, and email will be sent to the registered email ID of the schools. This quiz competition will be conducted on a specified date and time in October 2024. It will be of 50-minute duration, having 60 multiple choice questions. Each school will be represented by a team of 3 students who may be selected internally by the school from classes 9th to 12th. On the announced date, the portal for the test can be opened by the registered schools using their credentials. Only the registered schools with successful submission of fee will be able to access the portal. Each school has to attend the test in its respective IT labs in the school. On completion of the test, the team will get the feedback, that is, correct answers and wrong answers marked, and time taken by them for the quiz. There will be no negative marking for the wrong answers. Please note that from every cluster, the top 30 teams will be selected and the results will be declared through notification on the official website of the board. Stage 2 is cluster round. After the conduct of stage 1 online test, top 30 teams from each cluster will participate in the stage 2 cluster round. This will be conducted in the month of November 2024 at a venue selected in their respective cluster. The winning team of each cluster round will participate in the semi-finals and final at Delhi. The cluster round will be conducted in 2 phases. The details will be informed through the notification on the board's website. Phase 1 will be written qualifying round. This round will be in the form of PowerPoint, where the teams from the schools will collectively attempt the test. There will be 30 questions to be answered in 25 minutes, where the respective teams of each school will have to write the answers. Phase 2 will be on-stage round. In this round, with the respective qualifiers of Phase 1, 6 teams stage round will be conducted, which will be of 75 to 90-minute duration. This round will comprise a mix of verbal, audio and visual questions. Stage 3, semi-finals and national final. This will be held in December 2024. The qualifying teams from the regional rounds will be divided into 4 groups. The winner from each group will qualify for the final. Now, there are some guidelines for participation. All the schools affiliated to CBSE in India and foreign countries are invited to participate in this quiz. All the participant schools must ensure arrangement of seamless broadband internet connectivity in their computer lab on the day of online test. Interested schools should ensure the completion of online registration form with fees on or before 31st of October 2024. The registration fees of Rs 1500 per team shall be submitted through the payment gateway available in the registration portal. No other mode of payment will be accepted. Participation is open to the students of classes 9th to 12th. Interested schools are requested to select 3 students who will register as a team. Each school can register only one team. The last date for online registration is 10th of September 2024. The schools are advised to register at the earliest possible date to avoid last-minute delay. Merit certificates will be provided to all the participants of semi-finals and finals. There are some prizes for winners as well. This quiz aims not only to educate students about India's diverse cultural heritage, but also to raise awareness about the need for conservation and restoration efforts. Kindly participate in CBSE Heritage India Quiz 2024. That's all from this video. Thank you very much.